remember that the Congress is also going to be a part of the all-party meet today, and Jammu and Kashmir Congress leaders will be holding final deliberations at 11 this morning before leaving for the Prime Minister's meeting, which is scheduled to happen at 3 in the afternoon. Ghulam Nabi Azad, G.A. Mir and Tara Chand will be meeting at 5 South Avenue in the national capital. The meeting agenda is, of course, going to be to discuss Congress's views that will be presented during this meeting. Pooja Shali is joining us with more details on this. Pooja, good morning. The Congress coming together to perhaps hold one final huddle before the all-party meet. Give us a sense of, which Congress leaders are going to be a part of the all-party meet. A lot of questions about what are the issues they will raise, particularly because some Congress leaders have faced flack for the comments they've made on Article 370.
Well, it's definitely a very big day today, Akshita. This is about first the Congress party Netas, Ghulam Nabi Azad, G.A. Mir, Tara Chand meeting at 11 a.m. at 5 South Avenue, which is Azad's residence in Delhi. They will be, of course, wanting to not be sidelined by the PDP, the BJP, the National Conference. They would want to also come forth and ensure that they also have a stake in the discussion. Very important to remember, there is no official agenda that has been declared. So the information that is coming is basically primarily through sources, also what the Kashmir-based party believes that it is with regard to the assembly elections that will be scheduled. So it's very interesting how the J&K leaders have been invited, but there's no official agenda. Therefore, at 11 a.m., the Congress leaders are going to sit together, make a plan of what precisely are they going to put forth on the table when they meet today, the Prime Minister and other netas as well. So definitely a very big day. I am being told that about 10 to 11 leaders have arrived already. Farooq Abdullah, the last to arrive at about 12 p.m. today. Mehbooba Mufti is already here. So definitely a big day. But will it end the political impasse? Because remember, Akshita, finally, Prime Minister Modi had said that there's going to be a young nationalistic leadership. It appears for now that the same old leadership that had existed in J&K have been invited.
All right, Pooja, thank you very much for joining us with those details.